Hi, I'm Ross Ingleson. I'm the Senior Design Engineer here at Borg & Overstrom, and my main responsibilities are the product design and innovation that goes into our tap systems. So during the product design phase, we wanted to ensure that the look of the product was kept through its life cycle, and to do that we had to protect the tap itself. So we looked at different coatings, powder coating, electroplating. However, PVD came out on top. The main reason why we went down the PVD route is because of the environment these taps are going into. So it's a high usage environment, and we needed to make sure that we had a coating that would survive this. And PVD in itself is extremely durable, it's very scratch resistant, and it offers a good corrosion resistance as well.
So my name is Keith Lane. I'm the Technical Development Manager for Aalberts Surface Technologies. I've been involved in PVD coating for 35 years. I've worked here for 24 of those years, and I run the department here, PVD coating and plasma nitriding. PVD stands for Physical Vapour Deposition. It is essentially a vacuum spray process. Spray process carried out in a vacuum chamber. We get products in from Borg & Overstrom. They're obviously finished to a high standard, so we have to handle them extremely well. We wash the parts through a detergent degreasing process, first of all, to remove oils, greases, etc. The parts have to be very clean because it is a vacuum process. Cleanliness is really important. We then load them onto a jig. The jigs are sometimes bespoke made for the Borg & Overstrom products. We then load them with the coating machine. The coating machine is a vacuum chamber which pulls a vacuum sort of 8 decades lower than atmospheric pressure. Very, very clean. The parts are then put in that machine. Process runs through a plasma cleaning process, and then it goes on to the spray process where we're actually atomizing the metal that we're depositing in nitrogen gas or hydrocarbon gas, and we deposit the coating. Our colours that we deposit, our PVD coatings that we deposit, will remain the same colour through the life of the product. They don't tarnish, they don't fade, they don't stain, and they don't come off, and they don't scratch. That's the benefit. So once the parts are finished in the coating chamber, we open the machine, inspect them, pack them up.
So we're really proud that our customers are going to be able to receive a premium product that will keep its aesthetics quality through its product life cycle.